Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, can you pay contractors outside of US using Gusto Payroll? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're wondering if Gusto is right for you because you have contractors outside of the US. Can you actually pay them using Gusto? Now to simply put, yes, you can use Gusto to actually pay contractors outside of the US, and here's how. Now, in order to do that, you're going to log on to Gusto, and if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get $100. So click on Pay, and then click on Pay Contractors. Now, once you're on this page here, you'll have the option to pay US-based contractors or pay contractors outside of the US. So we're going to pay contractors outside of the US. Now on this page here, you could actually go ahead and see where you could actually initiate a new payment, or you could actually go ahead and add someone. So here we have one of my contractors who's from India, and our last payment was listed right over here. So if I want to go ahead and add another payment or send another payment to this contractor outside of the US, all I need to do is click on the checkbox here, and then click on new payment. And then for the payment amount, let's say it's $1,000, and then click on next. And then once you do that, you'll see that it simply goes through a pipeline. So first you select your contractors, then you create the payment, and then you review that this is the payment that you actually want to be having, and then click on submit. So it's really simple and easy to pay contractors outside of the US using Gusto. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and you'll get $100 when you run your first payroll. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.